Well, here we go, let's get those wheels out on the road. It may get dusty, but that's the way she goes. We'll build some greasy old cars and drink our AGV. Hey, don't you know, it's partly built.
Happy Tuesday morning. We're just getting everything packed up from sleeping for the night. And as you can see, Sandman Hotel, all the vehicles. Yeah, we're gonna get everything packed up. Once everybody gets rocking and rolling, we'll head out to the track and we'll catch up with you there. All right, so we're here in Saskatoon. I was just nut and bolt checking and checking fluids, checking the tranny oil, and I found one of the bolts was loose and one was missing a nut. So I went to try and tighten the one that was loose, and yeah, it come out. It was the welded in stud, so it's gone. And now I'm putting a lock nut up here on this top one, so hopefully it stays on. And then we still have 5 bolts holding this transmission, so I'm not too worried. But other than that, hopefully everything's good. I still got to check tire pressures, but we got the slicks on. All the other fluids are still up. Looks like we got that front seal still leaking, but here's what it is. All right, so I went to the other side to check, and the whole top bolt was missing. So I didn't have a 1/2 inch bolt the right size up here. So I just found a 7/16 because the wrong bolt in there and tight is still better than no bolt. So I think hopefully we're good to go through tech now. We'll have to see if we spot anything else. Steven's just checking tires. And yes, I used green Loctite because fuck it coming loose again. Hey Gord, what can you tell me about this sick unit here?
See you pull up to your house, don't let your dog.
Oh, look, all the amenities. And hey, these slicks almost look familiar. Getting ready to do our second run. We're just gonna drop tires down to about, oh, I don't know, 15, Steve-O?
Yeah, let's see what they're at now.
I think we're gonna drop them to 15.
17, so we should almost drop them to 12.
All right, we're gonna drop them down to 12, and we'll see if she's gonna hook up for us, see what we can run. I wish I knew what his pressures were. You said 25, right?
No, we dropped them.
Did you?
I couldn't tell you what.
Because I got the tire gauge and the little compressor with me.
So you just like pushed in the thing, like, yeah, that looks right. Counted 10. Oh, gotcha. That's
good enough.
Best way to do it.
It's Gord approved. He worked for a tire shop. Got some heat in them anyway. Making it squirrely on them. Yeah. I got the perfect angle on the car. Alright, so we're at Fort Garry because the Kenworth blew an airbag. And we got the number off the airbag, went in, they don't have one, so now we gotta go to Kenworth. But we're just doing a quick alignment on the 55, and then we'll be on our way to Kenworth. Alright, it's now 3 minutes to 5. We've been in the Princess Auto parking lot for like an hour. Finally got the airbag done. Peg's losing his turbo. So, you know, we're good. So now we lost Josh and Dee Dee, and they're the only ones that know where we're going. So we're trusting the GPS, and the GPS has us taking gravel roads. So this is fun. Anyway, on we go.
I don't think
I don't think it's quite supposed to sound like that. Well, we made it about 40k out of Saskatoon. It's 6 o'clock now. And the turbo just went out on Peg's diesel, so again, we're gonna build one turbo out of, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, however many he's got. It's gonna be a long night. Giving her the double team. Alright, it's 9:30. We just finished getting Pegs all wrapped up. And now we're gonna try and make it to at least Macklin, but we gotta go via Kerr Robert, which is BS. It's just, wow. It'd be fine if it was nice out, but it's a bit of a detour, so on we go. Made her to the day 2 checkpoint, 11:45.
found the perfect use for Doc Johnson.
Well, we made it to Hardesty. Camped out behind the hotel. Transmission is very unhappy in the lower gears. It's making a lot of noise, but it's 2:30 in the morning, so we're gonna call it a night and we'll catch you on day 3.